Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel art using Canva. So first open up Canva and on the search bar type in YouTube channel art. Now Canva will show you a bunch of ready-made templates from clean designs to colorful styles. Pick the one that fits your vibe and click on it. So here you can customize the text with your channel name, tagline or anything you want. You can also change the background, the colors, fonts, and even add your logo or image on it. Make sure the important stuff stays in the safe zone, which is the middle part that shows up on all the devices. Once you're done, just click download at the top right, choose a PNG or a JPEG, and you're ready to upload it in your YouTube channel. And that's it guys. If you liked the video, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.